Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Matilla's kitchen and our classroom. I am going to do a Germy hands experiment with you this morning. And so here is my list of supplies. We need some water and some paper towels just in case. We need 2 plates. We need some black pepper and we need some soap. So I just have regular Dawn and some black pepper. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some water on our plates, just a little bit, enough to get a nice little amount in each plate. And then we're going to put some pepper on plate number 1. Let's see what it looks like. You see that? And then on plate number 2, we're going to put some dish liquid. A couple drops in there. We'll swirl it around. Get it nice and a little bubbly. Okay, and then dry your finger off. All right, next, we are going to take one finger. We're going to dip it in our pepper water. And on your finger, you're going to see some pepper. And those are germs. Okay? Next, you're going to take that same finger. You're going to dip it in the soap, in the soapy water. Okay? Get it really good in there. Next, you're going to take that same finger and you're going to dip it back into your germy water. What happens? All the germs go away. So this is showing the importance of hand washing and how when you wash your hands, it's going to protect you from getting sick. And we want to protect you from getting sick. Okay? All right. I hope you had fun. I hope you get to try this at home. It's pretty cool, huh? All right. Take care. See you soon.